This is Yip Nguyen, and this is my video 3 lesson 1 mobile application. I will show you the code for my creativity in this lesson. In this code, I added 2 more things. Under view, I added bus page dot file. Under controller, I added bus page dashed controller dot file. So under this file, bus page dot, I have a new class put page. And I have a controller and a constructor, a bus page for controlling buttons on this page. This is a scaffold, so I return a scaffold. And this is how I set up the up bar. I changed the up bar background, I changed the icon theme, centerlight them in the up bar. And this is the body. I set the body as list view just in case I have a lot of information and I want it to be scrollable. I added image. I put it under row just in case I would like to add more than one image in the future on the same row. And I have 4 persistent footer buttons, but for the on breast I didn't put anything. I didn't put any controller for these buttons for now. And I have a button navigation bar. This is how I set up the height of the bottom bar and the margins. And I have chai. I put all the chais in the row just to make sure that I have all the buttons on the same row in bottom navigation bar. So under row I have a lot of childrens. In this case I have 4 childrens, and each each children is a containers, and each container represents 4 a button. Let's have a look at the location button first. So as you can see, I set up here, if the user click on the button on breast, it will call the functions lock button breast. This is the function name that I define under bus page desk controller dot. This is the functions, and inside the function there is a show dialog function. That function will set up if the user click on the button, it will return a dialog with the title and the context here. And the actions, in this action I will have a raise button. If the user click on the OK button here, it will navigate back to the business homepage. And the same will be set up to the others icon buttons and the flat buttons.